Hello everyone, good morning. Today's combo for your Pixelverse, I'll show you guys just in this video. So go ahead and just claim your coin for the day and make sure you upgrade your bot at least one level up. As you can see, this is the max level for this guy, 39. So I'm just going to go ahead and just upgrade this one here. Upgrade that to at least just one level up, and that should do. And as you can go back here, you will see that our profit per day, it went up. I'm almost close to 7 million right now. That's going to enable me to get more of my daily allocation. I'll go ahead and just claim my daily reward, claim that. And after that, go ahead and just let's do the daily combo right now. So I can be getting a maximum of 13 million from this daily combination. So the first card on the list is going to be this one here. The second card is going to be this dog. The third one is going to be these cards. And then finally, we're going to actually be using this guy here. Okay, let's go ahead and just check our combination. As you can see, we got our 100% of this stuff. Go ahead and claim your card. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.